Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can restart your pedestal on your Bose sound system. This might be useful if the Wi-Fi is playing up. So right now we're actually on the Wi-Fi setting. You can see it says ready to pair. I am going to turn it around and we need to press and hold the control button, which is this button here on the pedestal. We need to hold it down for about 10 seconds. When I start holding it, it will go to amber, and then when the amber light goes off, that means it's restarted. And if we're on that setting at the front, it should actually turn the Bose sound system off. And then when we turn it back on, we need to wait about a minute, and then it will be ready to pair again. So here we go, press and holding it now. You can see we've gone to amber. I'm still holding it. Still holding it down. And there we go, it's now turned off. So we can let go of that. And if you have a look at the front, it's no longer on that connect part there. So we're just going to turn it back on. And we just need to be patient and just wait for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. And you will then see that it will start coming up with ready to pair. And also this light at the back will start flashing, because right now that light is not flashing. The little Wi-Fi light here. I'll just fast forward through this bit. And there we go, you can see now it's come up here, and if we have a look at the back, it will now be flashing again. So that's it, that's how to restart your pedestal on your Bose sound system. Thanks for watching.